Hello, I've got this Hikvision, whatever that says on the screen right now, and the back of it says, what does that say? Front cable coil something damage. Right, I think we'll just open it up and see what we're cooking on. Oh, it looks like we've got some ripped cables and damaged plugs, and somebody's been unplugging stuff with a bloody sledgehammer by the looks of it. So this side of the cable is supposed to plug like right down there, you see down in that little gap. And then this side, there was a plug on the end that is supposed to go into a socket that sits on the edge of the board around here. But that's gone bye-bye. And that one's been ripped off too. Lovely. Luckily I've got a donor board with some of these ports on, so it should be all good. Remember when you're unplugging these cables from sockets, you should always tug on the male. It's a old Elton John trick. Righty, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with soldering iron and put a bit of leaded solder on these, clean them up a little bit. Soldering iron at about, what are we going to have, 350 Celsius? That's about 660 Fahrenheit for the dodgy people. Nah, love you really. So, what I like to do here is, I just plonk my port in place. I've got a bit of flux on the board. Then I come in with my windy stick, get it roughly lined up like that, come in with my windy stick, hot air station, 400 Celsius, or 750 Fahrenheit roughly. Just give it a wiggle round and then just tap the port until it, flows in place. That's how I like to do it anyway. You have to find, what works best for you. Some people just hold it with tweezers, plonk it in, bob's your auntie, but I'm a bit too heavy-handed, so I don't want to smash components all over the house. So I do it like this. They're all solid, lovely. come in with a little bit of IPA, 99%. Give it a little clean up. Now I get this put back together, like just enough to test it. The black cable that completely had the end ripped off. I've got a spare one of them anyway, so I'll just use one of them. I mean, I was wondering why they've been unplugged anyway. You know, I can understand like taking the hard drive leads out. That people always do that. Right, I very rarely get a box and find it's got hard drive leads in. But these are for like the front display and for the box to function. So, you know, why would you take them? Or remove them or anything, unless you was repairing the board. So it made me wonder, like, is there any other faults on the board? Am I going to plug it in? Is it going to go boom or something? HDMI is in. We got the power supply plugged in. I got to turn it on the wall, see if it goes bang. It shouldn't go bang. We've got our red light. Now, it does help if you turn the monitor on. There we go. What are we getting now? Today? Get in! Yes! Lovely. I'll get this set up and testicle Tuesday and see if it's all sweet. There you go. I've had a little test on this and it's as sweet as your mother. Just need to plug a camera in, check the ports out, and just want to be sweet. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed, give me a little like. Thumbs up. It's got a bit of damage here, so it's not too bad there. Other than that, it's good as. Ta-ra!